Good morning, everyone. We are doing a last minute movie party. Now basically what I mean by that is our plans were canceled last minute. We are going to do one of our movie parties and Matt drew from the jar and we picked Cinderella today. So we are going to do a Cinderella themed movie party. What you doing?
I am going to make some omelets.
Ooh, omelets. I love omelets.
Right now I'm cutting up some peppers. I also have an onion I'm going to cut up here in a minute. And also bacon because, well, bacon.
Bacon. While he's doing that, I'm going to come over to here and make a pot of coffee.
Alright, so the very first thing that we have to do for our Cinderella party is the girls are going to go on a scavenger hunt. We have hidden their shoes in the house. And now they have to go find them. Alright girls, so we're doing the Cinderella party today, right?
Yep.
Which means that your very first activity is, what did Cinderella do all day? She cleaned! So we're gonna clean all day.
My other shoe was missing. I must go look for it.
Okay, so I might be kidding. Maybe.
Might be.
Possibly. No. There are shoes hidden throughout the house. One of each of yours. And you're gonna go find them.
Alright, let's go. No way am I putting this on. There's no way I will put this on.
Hush, puppy. I'll take it down.
You kicked me.
Hush, Chubby. I saw. I've already found one of them. And I haven't even left the kitchen.
Oh, sweet. I found it too.
That one out. If it's not yours.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's some too easy in there. Wait. Too easy. Not in there. Definitely not in there. That's the room we started.
There are no more in the kitchen. None are in my room.
Apparently none are in our room either. What? Time to ditch the shoe.
You know they're not in the toy room. You know they're not in the kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you they're not in the office.
I must search inside the cookies.
No.
Who would not play shoe? I already checked. They're not in here. Bunch of Can you give me a clue?
The shoe is brown.
No! About where it is! I know what color it is. It's matched to this one.
And also they are not in the same room.
Nope. Is mine in my room? Nope.
That gives you 3 rooms you can look in. The bathroom, the living room, or your room.
That's a bathroom.
It's a room.
Gross.
Alright, so your clues are, you can see it from here with your hands behind your back. And when you asked a question, I also said oui, oui, which is French for yes, yes.
And I burst out laughing whenever I found it.
Oui, oui.
Did she find it?
Not yet.
But what are you looking at? Are you?
I'm looking at you.
Okay, because I'm trying to find it.
So, honey, I had a problem. You know how I was making apple fritters?
Uh-huh.
It became a fritter.
That one's mine.
Pancake.
So basically what I did was there wasn't much left to dip enough like each individual apple, so I just scraped the entire thing in and it flipped like an entire pancake. So there's Dad's fritter.
Yes, that one is mine. I can still see it from here.
What was Daddy's clue?
Oui, oui.
Okay, and what language is that?
French.
Think about this for a minute. Madeline, did you find your shoe? Okay, it took me a while until he said that clue to find it because I didn't see it.
French for
It's the French. It's the French for Dummies book on the shelf. So.
Sister's bad, please.
No.
I found it. That's great. I love it.
What?
I can see your shoe from here. Also, I can see it, but I cannot pick it up without touching something.
Huh. You buried it.
No, it's not buried. Buried would be completely invisible.
Is it up?
But I can see it. Are you stress cleaning?
Yes, it's a thing.
The shoe is well planted.
I am good.
And also its neighbors may attract butterflies.
Okay, butterflies and plants. Okay, those are plants. That was mean!
It wasn't mean. Mean would have been stuffing it all the way in the purse.
You stuffed it halfway up first! Stress cleaning!
So real quick, in between stuff, we made breakfast together this morning. Matt made
Omelets?
omelets, and the omelets were made on that pan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He's gonna try using this for the first time on the pan. He sprayed it about 20 minutes ago. He's gonna try wiping it out. Did it suds up when you sprayed it on?
A little bit, but it only covered like one spot.
Okay.
I may not have used enough of it.
Yeah, when I use it, I've been coating it. Here, I usually wet the brush before I...
I got about 95% of it out. A couple of spots where it's still stuck on just a little bit.
This is the one the apple fritters were in.
How much were you using? This is more than I used on that other pan. So
I literally made sure that every single piece at least had some of the spray on it. Like I wasn't layering the spray over the spray, but making sure that every stuck on piece had spray on it whenever I've used it on one of those pans and on our roaster pan.
I didn't use very much of it at all, so I'll try a little bit more of it on this one.
Are we gonna let it soak or just...
Yeah, we'll let it soak.
Okay. This movie party is 2-3 weeks deep into our home renovation project. So a couple of the shots, there's laundry backed up behind us. For this movie party, I'm probably actually not gonna come and sit with them. This is mostly for the kids, to give them something to do, something that they enjoy doing, something that they wanted to do, they requested doing. A movie party since we were not gonna go do the hike today. I'm probably gonna be in and out cleaning and doing things, but that's what I want to do because we're so close to being done with the home renovation. So I'm gonna put the first movie on for them. We already saw that Disney Nature one. I love that there's an option to just like go straight to princess movies, because it makes it easier for movie parties like this one. I think our last movie party was Princess. Wasn't our last movie party Princess? Yeah, it was Mulan, which is under Princess. Which actually, I'm not... There's Cinderella 3 animated, Cinderella 2 animated. Does anybody see the first one?
Wait,
Go up.
there's a Cinderella.
Did I miss it? Yeah, I did. It's right there.
There's a Cinderella 2 and 3.
Yeah, if you want to watch them today, we can. But we also need to do like shower rotation and stuff today. But here is the first original Cinderella. Laundry is completely cleared off. They are taking a break to play on their tablets, but we are fixing to start. They asked if we could go ahead and watch Cinderella 2 and Cinderella 3. I have never seen them. I have never seen Cinderella 2 and Cinderella 3 cartoon. So I'm actually going to take a break and watch with them. I actually kind of find it fun that I was watching Cinderella while folding laundry, but we're going to work on that real quick and take a break from everything and watch 2 and...
I know, she doesn't have a gray cat.
Stay.
She has a white cat.
Alright, do the thing.
Huh?
Do the thing. Nope, you gotta bend the knees. There you go. You're missing a slipper. Oh no! If only somebody could find the girl who is missing the slipper.
No.
She curtsied. No, okay. She curtsied for your dad and then lost a slipper. I know, right? She's adorable. Nice shoe.
I found a slipper.
It's not gonna fit me. I mean, you could try it on me, but it's not gonna fit me.
It doesn't fit me either.
Maybe we should try it on Madeline.
No! That is just me!
Why? That's what happened in the movie.
I am not Drizella or Anastasia!
Hey, he tried it on other girls too. Remember, he was up all night trying it on other girls.
It's static. No.
It doesn't fit this one either.
Hey!
I guess we'll have to hunt down the one that fits.
That's my shoe.
Yeah, but where
Does it fit you?
We're her sisters! That's why it's...
No, honey, you are not an evil stepsister ever.
You're right, I'm Uma.
That's your name.
What about me? I'm not an evil stepsister.
You're not an evil stepsister either.
Nope.
Actually, that does make you an evil stepsister.
Yeah! Now drop the slipper. The
But it-
slipper broke. Oh, don't worry. I have the other one. Oh yay, Dad doesn't have to lose his head. Now I need to go to the prince.
Wait, you have a prince? Where is your prince?
It's the prince of the cats.
Do you have a boyfriend?
He's the prince of the cats. Here's my prince.
I thought she was going to marry the dog for a second. That's the only other he in this house.
Ew. Technically, Dad's the prince.
Hey, Dad.
So, we don't have to worry. She doesn't have a boyfriend.
Nope.
What would
Here.
happen if she did have a boyfriend, Dad?
Don't worry about that.
I can see how she lost these slippers. They're really hard to. They're very hard to keep on.
So that's it for our Cinderella movie party. We really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.